Hey, I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I'm here with, who are you?
I am Hungry Mom.
I'm here with my mom. It is bright and early here in sunny Arizona, and we are ready to chew things. Are we ready to chew?
I cannot wait.
All right, we have a taste test today, fully surprising my mom with products. Mom, you love something that I always say you shouldn't eat. It's not good for you.
What is it?
Hot dogs!
Oh my God.
This is a Smart Dog by Light Life. We found these at Trader Joe's. They only have 60 calories each, hardly any fat, a couple grams, and they're all plant-based.
Plant-based hot dogs?
Yes, that means no meat whatsoever. They're vegan, actually, I believe. Are you excited about these?
I cannot wait.
They're opened and prepped, and just to make it taste a little better, I added some mustard and sauerkraut.
I will be very honest
You will be?
because I am the hot dog queen.
Mom, this could be groundbreaking. Tell the people how much you love hot dogs.
Hot dogs is my most favorite thing that I ever ate since I'm 10.
I think it should be R. Hot dogs are.
Hot dogs are my favorite thing.
Okay, hold this. Don't taste it yet. 1, 2, 3, go! Those are delicious.
It doesn't really taste like a hot dog.
You know, hot dogs are not good for you, and these are. Aren't they a good swap?
I guess so, with mustard and the proper bread.
Wait, would you say thumbs up?
Yes, I guess I'd say thumbs up.
Thumbs up! I love these. These are really good. Good job. Yes, she's going to be eating these.
I guess it's better than nothing.
Hey, make sure you follow me for more taste tests with Hungry Mom.